This is our 11,000 gallon water tank. 5,000 gallons down to the inlet there, and then we have 6,000 for firefighting from that point down, so it doesn't pick up. There's a hydrant on the other side. This is my less than stellar pump shed I've got to rebuild this summer. There's the parts I'm working on this morning. Fortunately, it's not snowing, it's not raining, and it's just warm enough to work. Saturday we had no water. Sunday morning project is get the water working. Got the water working. Found some leaks. Hopefully I fixed the leaks. Here's how our house water works. Blue. This blue is our pump. This is our pressure switch. I make sure that all the connections are tight. Sometimes they get loose, it's weird, but I go in here now and I check, and everything is as tight can be without stripping them any tighter. This cover goes on, keeps the moisture out. Okay, water comes in, the black pipe comes into the pump. This is our pressure switch. It comes off of that four-way connection there. When that senses it's less than 30 psi, switch turns on the pump. Pump pumps the water to the house. This is our pressure tank. I think it's a 60-pound pressure, 30-60, so it keeps pressure constant. Water comes out of the four-way connection up over and into that plastic over there. Had a plumber look at this and say, well, that's not the code. Well, in 1993 that was code, so we'll go from there. If we have to fix in the future, we will. The shack is falling apart. I may have to work on this or build a new one this summer. The orange line goes to insulating wire, which goes around those, and then up there to the tank itself. So that keeps everything from freezing. Now I will plug this in, and I should hear this wind up and give us pressure, and hopefully I don't have a water leak over there anymore. You see the ground's very wet there because I had water leaking from that end cap. We'll see if that fixes it. If not, Monday after I get done with a vet visit, I'm going to go up to Osborne Tank and Pump up in Victorville and see if they have a solution. Probably going to go anyways just to have something on the back burner. So next we'll plug in our power source. Okay. That's where that needs to be. Looks like we have pressure. And I still have leaking right about there. Drip, drip, drip. It's not dripping as bad as it was. It's dripping about the same as it was. I didn't fix anything. So, definitely going to Osborne on Monday to see if they have a new connector like that, or if they have an idea of how I can fix that. The last time I was there, I said, well, we can do a system like this. It only costs you $1,000. I can't afford $1,000. Let's see if we can just fix this thing. Maybe come up with a new way of running all this so we have water. So, that's my Sunday.